children, welcome back. In previous class, we already studied about prime factorization. Today we are going to learn about highest common factor, that is SCF. Children, SCF is also called as GCD, that is greatest common divisor. There are three ways to find the SCF, so let's learn. SCF, highest common factor or SCF. SCF is the greatest number that divides the two or more given numbers completely without leaving any remainder. There are three ways to find the SCF of the given numbers. First is by using factor and common factor method, by prime factorization method, by continued division method. So let us learn each method one by one. SCF by the common factor method. To understand it in a better way, let's solve one example. Find the SCF of 24 and 40. To find the highest common factor, we follow some steps. First of all, we find the all factors of 24 and 40. Factors of 24. In the table of 1, 24 comes. In the table of 2 also 24 comes. In the table of 3 also 24 comes. In the table of 4 also 24 comes. In the table of 6 also 24 comes. In the table of 8, 12 and 24. Now, factors of 40 are, in the table of 1, 40 comes, in the table of 2 also 40 comes, in the table of 4 also 40 comes, in the table of 5 also 40 comes, in the table of 8, 10, 20 and 40. So, these are the factors of 24 and 40. Now, identify the common factors of the given number. So, common factors are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now in the last step, the largest common factor is the SCF of the given number. So here the largest common factor is 8. So the SCF of 24 and 40 is 8. Now let's see the next method, that is SCF by the prime factorization method. Let's solve an example. Find the SCF of 60, 90 and 110. So to find the highest common factor, first of all we find out the prime factor of each number. So write the number in a table like this: 60, 90 and 110. Now, first of all we find out the prime factors of 60. So, always we begin with smallest prime number. Now, see children, here 60 is an even number. So, divide this number by 2. So, we get the number 13. Now, again divide 30 by 2. So, we get the number 15. Now, 15 is not divisible by 2. So, you divide this number by 3. So, we get the number 5. Now, see children, here 5 is a prime number. So, divide this number by number itself. So, we get the quotient as 1. Now, find out the prime factor of 90. So, 90 is also prime even number. So, divide this number by 2. So, we get the number 45. And 45 is not divisible by 2. So, divide this number by 3. So, we get the number 15. Now, again divide 15 by 3. So, we get the number 5. Now, 5 is a prime number. So, divide this number by number itself. So, we get the quotient as 1. Now move to the next number and find out the prime factor of 110 and divide this number also by 2. So we get the number 55. Now see, 55 is not divisible by 2. So we divide this number by next prime number 3. But again 55 is not divisible by 3 also. So you divide this number by next prime number, that is 5. So we get the number 11. Now divide 11 by 11. So we get the number, we get the quotient as 1. Now write the prime factorization of each number. So prime factorization of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now the prime factorization of 90 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now the prime factorization of 110 are 2 into 5 into 11. Now circle the common factor. So here common factor are 2 and 5. So the product of the common factors of the number gives the SCF. So the SCF of the given number is the product of common factor, that is 2 into 5, which is equal to 10. So SCF of 60, 90 and 110 is 10. Now move to the next method, that is division method. Now let's solve one example. Find the SCF of 24 and 40. Children, we always divide bigger number by the smaller number. So divide 40 by 24. So write 40 as a dividend and 24 as a divisor. Now divide 40 by 24. So 24 ones are 24. So remainder left, that is 16. Now divide first divisor by its remainder. So 16 ones are 16. Now again the remainder left 8. Now divide last divisor by its remainder, that is 16. So 8 twos are 16. Now remainder left 0. So the final divisor is the SCF of given number. So the SCF of 24 and 40 is 8. So children, like this you find out the SCF of any number. I hope you understood this topic very well. Now I want you to do the rest exercise at home. We will meet in next class. Till then, take care, be positive.